G'day there. Now lately I've been playing with a couple of really nice little AI applications for doing slide decks. And in this video I'm going to take you for a run through one of them called Journey. I found it really handy and I've done a couple of these already for myself and put them out there and really enjoyed it. So I wanted to share with you how it works. So let's have a look at it, shall we? So on the screen here you can see the opening of the home page for Journey. So let's go through some of this to give you a little bit of an idea. First of all, it's free to create an account, and it is also free to use for up to 5 journeys, which is very handy. It's a great way to get your feet wet in this little environment. So you can set your account up. That's number one thing to do, and then you're ready to go. So let's have a look at the templates that they've got and see what's there. And now I'm going to leave you to have a look through these yourself and play with them. But you can see here on the left-hand side, there's sales decks, sales rooms, seed funding, case studies, which is an interesting one, how a company empowers users through data. You can see here all the little pictures and the layout of them, which is really nice, a one-pager and an all-hands template there that can be done. So there's lots of things that you can do and start with from the template, and so you're never starting alone. So let's do one and see how it goes. So we'll create a journey, and here we're going to use the Auto Magic one, and we'll just use here a prompt like, let's try the creation of the universe. Now, Journey will take a little while to generate this, so I'm just going to pause the video whilst it does. There we are, we've started it. Hello, it says something has gone wrong. It's now thinking about the image style. So I'm just going to pause the video now while Journey does its tricks. It'll take a while to think about it and generate the deck, but it'll certainly do it a lot quicker than what you or I would if we were doing it by hand. So I'll be back shortly when it's ready. Okay, we're back and Journey's finished. And look at this, here it is on the screen now. It's just come straight up. It's called it the Magnificent Cosmos. And there's its text that it's generated. It's generated some images from AI, the Big Bang Theory, continued, more text that it's generated, formation of stars and galaxies. Now this can be moved around to there, like so, and these are the sorts of things, just drag and drop. And that image can also be filled. So there it fills the whole square instead of just leaving it on the sides. Instead of like the fit, you can see it's got there, it said we'll use it fill, done. You can add a caption to it if we want to. So let's go down here a bit further. What else is here? Could do the same with that one. I prefer them side by side as opposed to on top of the others. So there's quite a bit there and right to the conclusion. So if we go back to the top, let's have a look at what else we can do here. You may not like the template. So let's change the colour theme. We can go straight away to dark. There we go, done. We can go to bright, different colour, or we'll just set a custom one. Background, put it to red just for the sake of doing so, and you've got the chance to reset the themes there like that too. So we'll reset the theme, and I'd probably go with the dark one. The sky's dark at night. Let's explore a couple of its other capabilities, shall we? So here we've got our creation of the universe. And if we scroll down, we've got the Big Bang Theory. Not much text in here, is there? What else? Yeah, no, that's all right. So let's have this one. Now, let's go here and we'll just click on Add Text. And it's set up a new block here. Now, I can either type in here the Big Bang and create some more text for myself, or I can delete that there. Could have done a lot quicker, but anyway, never mind. We'll go back to here, add text, and there we are, we're back with our block. Now, if I don't want to add the text, I can actually put a prompt in and let AI do the work. So let's say, tell me more about the Big Bang. Not the Big Bang, the Big Bang. Now AI is working away there, and there you go. that has just generated that for there. Now you can pick that out, what you want. Let's say we wanted to put another sentence in here. We'll pick one out. Additionally, that one to there, that one there. Righto, Control C or Command C. Let's go back up here, put it, enter in there, and go paste V, Compile P. And you can see you've shifted that down and put the text there. So that's that bit of it. And next, let's look at images, the addition of images. So if we click on the icon here, add an image, it's going to put another block in there for me. I can generate the image with AI, or I can upload one from the computer. So let's generate it from AI. So let's ask for AI to generate an image of the Milky Way. Okay, so you can see here that it's generated 4 different images from which I can choose. So I might choose that one. No, I like this one best. So let's see if it fills by you hitting the fill. So that's providing a nice dimension to it there. Add a caption to it, the Milky Way. So you're building on your presentation the whole time. Let's say that you want to put a video in here from YouTube. You can go here, click on the link, puts that a block there. Now I don't want that there, so I'm going to just drag it up here until it's where I want it, which is there. So I'm going to add my link, and it comes up with a paste URL. So I'll go over to my YouTube selection there, click on share, get the share video, copy that. This is about the creation of the universe from National Geographic. I'll go back to Journey there, add the link, and it's fetching the video, and there it is. So we can also then, we say, well, it's not going to show properly there, so we can just drag it out till it's at the right size. And there's our video. And we can now play that within
the universe is everything.
The presentation of Journey.
From the tiniest particles.
Amazing, isn't it? If we have a look at some of the other icons, this one here allows you to embed a file into the Journey presentation. This one here will actually allow you to do a recording from your camera and microphone and insert that directly into the Journey presentation as well, which can be useful for presentations, obviously, where you might be explaining one of the photos that are in there, for example. Now this one here is to add things from the library. You can upload your own images and other documents, etc., and embed them in the presentation. This one here is a really little interesting one. So we can add Journey AI. So let's click on that one and we'll just, here we go. Hello, I'm Journey AI here to assist you. What can you do? And it's even got some prompt questions there because it knows what's here. So we could type anything in there, but let's just say how do stars and galaxies form. It'll save the trouble, and it'll now run off and find out. So we'll now just delete that block. We don't need it anymore. And that's gone. We can delete this one too. That's how quick it is just to move around. So in the other one, there's a couple more things that you can pop up here. Add collaborative checklists. A logo you can put in there. That'll come from your contents. Add a contents list, bulleted list. And I think this is for a signature. Yes, an e-signature can be added because one of the things that it can do is actually generate a non-disclosure agreement for any confidential documentation that your presentations that you might be going to send out to. So now that you've completed your presentation, let's have a look at how you check it in a preview mode, and then also how you would share it with others. So if we have a look up here, there's a little arrow icon, and that's to preview. So we'll click on that, and this will show you how somebody that you share it with will see it. So on the left-hand side here, you've got an index of the various slides, and then you can actually go through the presentation to see exactly what it would look like to somebody else. You'll notice the menu that's gone from this side. One thing worth mentioning is that you can click on these images and they will actually expand to full size, and click back again. This same thing will apply if you've uploaded any images of your own, but obviously they are going to have to be of a size that is going to expand without pixelation, you know, with all those little shady dots on it. So now we'll look at how we'll share it. So up here we've got our share button, and there's several ways that you can do it. You can actually tweet the presentation. You can share it to LinkedIn. You could share it on an email, or you can copy a link and then send it to somebody. So that's copied the link. If I put the email there, it'll just ask who to want to send it to. The tweet will actually open the Twitter site. It won't open a small modal that you can post into, but the LinkedIn one does. Well, I think that's a wrap. I love this little program. I think it's fantastic, and I can think of many, many applications for it. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video and you've got some really great ideas too. So click on the link at the foot of the video in the show notes, and that will take you to Journey, where you can set up a free account and play for yourself. See you next time. Cheers.